Now we finished the first, the present tense, present continuous. Now we do the third part, present perfect tense, couple of sentences to recall to our mind what we have already learned. Okay? So third one, C. Present perfect. Present perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, changing from active to passive. And that's what we are going to do. Just a couple of sentences. The first sentence I have here for you, Mohin has struck Ashok. That's the first sentence, an active voice. Mohin has struck. First sentence, Mohin. Mohin has struck Ashok. Now this is the active voice and we are going to change Mohin has struck Ashok. We are going to change into passive voice. This is active. Okay, active voice. Now in the present perfect tense. So that will be Ashok has been struck by Mohin. Ashok has been. So we are changing to present perfect Ashok. Ashok has been struck. Has been struck by Mohin. In the present perfect, Ashok has been struck. By whom? By Mohin. That is in the passive voice. Very good. Passive. Okay. We'll do another sentence. The rain has ruined the crops. The rain has ruined the crop. Has ruined the crops. Now, the rain has ruined the crops. The rain has ruined the crop. That is in the active voice. And now we're going to change it into the present perfect tense. So we'll say the crops have been ruined. The crops have been ruined by the rain. The crop has been. The crops have been. The crops have been ruined by the rain. Have been ruined by the rain. By the rain. We are talking about the present perfect. The rain has ruined the crops. The crops have been ruined by the rain, and that is in the passive voice. The passive. Maybe we could do one more sentence. Let me see. Now, he sold his old car. He sold. He sold his old car. He sold his old car. That's in the active voice. Active. Now, we have to change it to the passive, keeping in mind the present perfect tense. So, what will that be? You can say, the old car has been sold. The old car has been sold by him. Okay. Old car. The old car has been sold. Sold by him. Sold by him. The old car has been sold by him, and that is in the present perfect tense, and that is the passive voice. Passive. Okay, maybe we can take one more sentence. She has bought a new car. Fourth one. She has bought. She has bought a new car. That's the active. She has bought a new car. Active. And so, in the passive voice, a new car has been bought by her. A new car. In the present perfect. A new car has been bought. Has been bought. Has been bought by her. By her. Okay? A new car has been bought by her, and that is in the passive voice. Passive. Now, we are looking at the present perfect tense changing from active to passive. Let's look at the 4 sentences. First, Mohan has struck Ashok, that's active. Ashok has been struck by Mohan, passive voice. The rain has ruined the crops. The crops, that is the active. The passive, the crops have been ruined by the rain. He sold his old car. Active. The old car has been sold by him. Passive. She has bought a new car. Active. A new car has been bought by her. So we learn to change from active to passive in the present perfect tense, from active to passive.